Hello, Whiskey Taste Buds. Adam here with Blue Collar Scholar Whiskey Pairing again. We're here on December 16th for the Kensington Wine Market Whiskey Advent Calendar Reveal and Review. Today, we were blessed with another delicious bourbon. This time it was Knob Creek Kentucky Bourbon, bottled at 50% ABV. And I decided to go ahead and try my hand at tasting notes for you guys. But again, I didn't rate it because I just don't feel like I would be able to do it justice. So anyway, here we go. On the nose I get cornbread with honey, a little red licorice, some white pepper, and a bit of nutmeg. On the palate, I get gentle honey sweetness and a bit of corn husk. Again, I said I'm not really a bourbon guy, but as bourbons go, this one's pretty drinkable. I actually quite like it. Finish is longish, lingering, sweet and spice. And right at the end there, I get the flavor of those rocket candies, but almost like it was still in the wrapper, if that makes any sense. But anyway, yeah, very sweet, delicious bourbon. So, Solange.